He said what?
He said, kiss me outside. How about that?
Hello, my partiers. It's your favorite girl, Tiffany, back in the spot again. And today, you guys, can't you feel it nearby? Can't you feel it nearby? Love is in the air, you guys. The love is in the air. I also forgot to tell you guys, make sure you look out for the different Valentine's videos I will be doing. I don't know how many I'm going to be doing, but I know I'm going to be posting to almost Valentine's Day with different Valentine's treats you can make for your loved ones, or even if you want to do some Valentine's candy bags for your kids. I will be posting videos, like I said, almost to Valentine's Day. So be on the lookout for those videos, you guys, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like I tell you guys, my channel is unique. My channel is fun. So just keep that in mind. You guys, I got my helper here with me, Amaya. Amaya, tell everybody hi.
Hi.
So today, Amaya, we are going to be making a what? Valentine's Day bucket. You guys, see, me and Amaya are going to decorate this bucket. We're going to use it for popcorn because we're going to be making some conversation heart popcorn, you guys. Sweetheart popcorn for Amaya's mom for Valentine's Day. So, you guys stay tuned to our video. Tell them, stay tuned to our
Video.
Okay. Okay, you guys, so these are the items me and Amaya are going to be using to make this Valentine's. We're going to call it a popcorn bucket because we're putting popcorn in here. So, I got this little hot pink bucket. And this was bought from the Dollar Tree, you guys. So we got our bucket. And I bought these little foam stickers. Conversation heart foam stickers we're going to use. And then I printed out some conversation hearts. And I printed it out on vinyl, you guys. So this is cut and peel vinyl. Print, cut, and peel vinyl. And I also did Amaya's picture on the cut, print, cut, and peel vinyl also. I also got some 5x7 frames from the Dollar Tree, and me and Amaya are going to decorate these frames. Her picture's going to go in here. Okay, let me see these, Amaya. And I basically just printed some pictures out of Amaya on my printer that we're going to use for our frames. So, let's jump into this video. So, first things first, I am going to cut Amaya's picture out. And this picture is going to go on the bucket, you guys. And this vinyl is easy to apply because you just peel the backing off and you just stick it on your whatever you're gonna put it on, plastic, tin. Okay, so one more cut. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this picture and I'm gonna peel the back off and I'm gonna stick it right on the front like that. But I think I'm gonna chop a little bit more of the bottom off. So I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we are ready to stick this on and see what I'm talking about. This is like, just peel it back. So we're gonna peel this off. And I'm gonna take this, stick it right on the front of my bucket, and Amaya's gonna help me. Okay, Amaya, smash it down. Okay. Okay, so we got our Amaya's picture on the front. Now we're going to take these conversation hearts and we're going to stick them in different places on the bucket, guys. So let's open these up. Okay, Amaya, let's dump some out on the table. And these also, you just peel the back and stick them on. Okay, Maya, you ready to start sticking them on? Okay. You gotta take the back off, look. You gotta peel this off. Let me show you. You guys, and this is a fun DIY project to do. A fun, easy one to do. See, I'm just gonna stick it right here. Okay, the next one, Amaya. Which one do you have? Amaya says cool kid on there. Okay, so I'll peel the back off for you, Amaya. Now you stick it on the bucket. Okay. Okay, good job. Okay, what other ones are we gonna use? Let's see what that one says. Let's see. It says, be mine. So I'm gonna peel the back off from Maya, and she's gonna stick them on. Okay, here you go, Maya. What other color we haven't used? Pink. Pink. Let's use a pink one. This pink, be mine. Oh, that looks so nice. Okay. What about a blue one? Okay, here's the blue one I'm buying. And these stickers are so much better, you guys, because you don't have to glue them on at all. Okay, see? Amaya's did this side. Okay, other side, Amaya. Let's see here. Here, I'll peel it off for you. Just 1 minute, guys. I'm using my brother's tripod, and I don't like it. I'm not holding my phone the right way. Okay. Alright, Amaya. Here's the heart. Okay, so your cute Amaya has put on there. Okay. Oh, look at this one. Love bug. Let's do this one, Amaya. So, you guys, we're going to keep sticking these hearts all over. Okay, Amaya. Sweetheart. What else do we have? Cool kid. Okay, pick another color. What's that one say? Love. Love you. Okay. So let me peel the back part off. Here you go, Maya. Oh, okay, that's nice. It's looking, let's show them how it's starting to look, Maya. That is so cute. Okay. Let's find another one. So we need an orange one. An orange one. Okay. A love bug. Yeah, you guys, so Maya's making this for her mom for Valentine's Day. And we're gonna put, everything is gonna be conversation heart, you guys. So we're doing conversation heart, we're doing sweetheart popcorn that's gonna go in this bucket. I thought that would be a cute idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need one more on this side of Maya. A pink one? Okay. Okay. Here you go, Maya. Okay, so Amaya, we have stuck them on the front. Now we're going to do the sides. Are we going to do the sides? Okay, you guys, so we're going to continue putting our little sweethearts all over this bucket, and we'll be back. Okay, next, you guys, I'm going to take these vinyl conversation hearts, and I'm going to cut them out, and I'm going to put the big ones on the side of the bucket. And we don't have to use any glue or anything for these. So let me start across try to cut. Okay, so I want to start with B, mine first. And I'm just going to cut them out with my scissors. And this was a free printable on online. You guys, that I got these conversation hearts from. But I'm going to continue to cut this out, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so we have gotten our big conversation hearts cut out, and these are the ones I made out of the vinyl. So we're going to take these, and we're going to stick these around the sides of the bucket. Okay, so let's find one of mine. What about this one? Wink, wink. Okay, let me peel the backing off here. Okay. Come on, backing. And you guys, I'm trying to get the backing off of here. I got a bad habit biting my fingernails, so I don't have any. Okay, so I got it off. So Maya, sticking on there. Good job. Okay, on to the next one. Cake, be mine. So, girls rule, be mine, tacos, whatever, cake. Which one are we gonna put on? Girl. Okay, girls. Yeah. Okay, so Maya has another one she's gonna put on. Go ahead and stick it on Maya somewhere. You're gonna have to put it over a little bit more. There you go. Okay, so we got 2 on that side, 2 over here. So we'll be back, you guys. Okay, you guys, so me and Amaya finished her bucket, her popcorn bucket. And this is the finished result. Now turn to the side. We added some conversation hearts on this each side. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And like I always say, we will party with you guys next time. Bye. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I have made it back to my house. And I just wanted to recap what me and Amaya did today because there was so much noise going on in the house. So I wanted to recap it with you guys. So me and Amaya created this bucket for her mom for Valentine's Day. And like I said, this bucket I purchased at Dollar Tree, you guys. And the little conversation hearts, I also purchased these in a pack at the Dollar Tree. And for Maya's picture, I use the print and cut vinyl made by Cricut. I use that because I have a Cricut cut crafting machine, cutting machine. So I had this paper laying around, this vinyl, so I just did a printing cut and I cut it out myself. So that's what I did, and it's the peel printing cut vinyl. You just peel the back off and you stick it on your plastic, on tin, whatever. But Amaya stuck these conversation hearts all over her bucket, and then I did these big ones out of vinyl too, you guys. So we put them all the way around. And like I said, the theme is conversation hearts. So we're going to use conversation hearts throughout this whole project. So you guys stay tuned to these videos about Valentine's, and you will see the finished product before Valentine's Day. So like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will party with you guys next time. Bye.